Hey everyone, today I'm going to be changing the cabin air filter on a 2013 Honda Civic. This one's really easy, don't need any tools, a flashlight helps, but you can get away without that. Ordered this on Amazon, it was about 15 bucks or something. You can find cheaper ones, you can find better ones. This one is supposedly replacement Honda genuine part, and there's the part numbers that it replaces. This one happens to be EP Auto brand. If you're looking for the number, it's CP134 or CF10134. Contains one piece. We'll open it up. Square air filter. We'll, cut the plastic open. Nothing special to it. Should be indicated which way the air flows on it. There you go. We'll go to the car, we'll compare this to the old one, swap it out. That's that. I don't expect this to be a very long video, probably 5 minutes at the most. I'm going to take you off the tripod and hand carry over there because there's not really room to set up a tripod in this car the way it's parked. Anyway, you'll see. So, we'll be right back. Alright, I got you guys in my hand. I'm going to take the filter, the light, mosey on over to the old Civic here. There we go. That's the inside. I believe it's unlocked. Squeeze between the door and the car, between the car and the shelves with too much stuff. This door better be unlocked after that. Oh, thank God. Okay. Even got a lot of room here. Not very fat though, so I can fit in all right. Okay. So where it is in the glove box. First of all, let's move this out of the way. It's my wife's club. Snow brush. It's a cool little hoodie I bought her for her car. It's a standard, so it's a little shift knob hoodie. It's pretty cool. I bought it for my car. She liked it, so you know how that goes. Let's take out the manual. Glass cleaning fluid and the wheel lug adapter. So now to get this to drop down, there's little lugs on the side here. Pull it in. I'm probably gonna have to set you guys down and do this. I don't think I can do it one-handed. Hold on a second. See if I can. You guys can still see it. There we go. That's it. Let me turn on the light and I'll show you guys what I did there. So see, there's these little lugs on the side. All you gotta do is push in like this on both sides at the same time, and then it'll drop down on you. And in behind there, you just set this like that. That's the little panel you want to move. Oh, right here. There's a clip on that side holding it, and there's a clip on here. So I'm just gonna do this one-handed without looking. Pop that one. Pop that one. Clip comes off. Your little cover plate. Set that down. Pull out our filter. It's not too terrible. This one then marked for airflow, which way the airflow goes. That way. Okay. So the airflow almost always comes from the top down because it's sucking it from your cowl. So we'll take the new one. Compare it in size, it looks about the same. Airflow down that way. And we'll slide it into place. Going in dry. There we go. She's in. Now let's see if I can get this plate back on with one hand. I don't think it matters if there's an upside down or a right side up. I really don't, but we're about to find out. I'm doing this blind. Oh, that side went on. And that side went on. Doesn't get much easier than that. It does actually, though. So I showed you got to squeeze those tabs, close the glove box, or to open the glove box. You don't close it. There's little ramps on them, so it'll ramp itself closed. So you just push it. Done. It's locked. Now it'll catch on those stops again. Then you just put your wife's stuff back in the glove box. The air filter out out of the ground. That air filter wasn't too bad, your cabin air filter, but it was cheap, so I was doing mine, so I figured I'd do hers at the same time. Let's see how much. Yeah, there's lots of light getting through this. This wasn't bad at all, but oh well. Yeah, you can see some stuff in there. It's not terrible, but I said it doesn't hurt. It's cheap. It was like $10 for this one, and I'm good for, I don't know, another 20 years. How often do you guys change your cabin air filters? I've had that Jetta of mine for, I don't know, about 10 years probably. Maybe not quite that long, maybe 5. I don't know. Seems like 10 years some days. But that's the first time I've ever changed the cabin air filter. It was just today, earlier today, and I don't believe it's ever been changed. It was a Volkswagen filter I took out of there. The car is very, very dirty, as you can see, but the roads are, it's like spring out there. So everything's melting. So there you go. If you guys got any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will answer them to the best of my ability. And that's it. Let's see. Yeah, there's some leaves and goo in there. Nothing like the, hold on, I just got to show you. The one that I pulled out of my Jetta was pretty grody. There you go. And this one you weren't seeing a whole lot of light through at all. That's a pretty bright light. You're not seeing much. Whereas this one, the one I just took out of the Honda, you can see quite a bit of the light. So, anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you later.